Hey, good morning guys. So today is a new day and we're gonna go to Burj Khalifa. And there's a swimming pool on the roof. It's so nice. Look how clean that is. You can see the streets. I'm on the lifeguard tower right now. And it's higher than it looks. There's some showers here. If it doesn't rain, we might go jet skiing and parasailing and all that fun. Hey guys, so right now we're in the mall. We're going to the top of Burj Khalifa. But I just wanted to show you guys all these fancy stores here. They got Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Versace over there, Dolce & Gabbana. They're gonna be like no cameras, watch. Oh my god, look at these watches. Yo, that's sick. I bet they're like $1 million. What shoes should I get? Belt? Tawfiq, where you at? Where'd you go? Let's look at these shoes. No cameras?
No.
Oh, okay. So we just left the Gucci store. We were looking at some nice clothes that I can't afford. Yeah, the security guy stopped us actually. First, I was in there for like a minute filming and they didn't say anything, but then the security guy came up and he's like, no filming. But yeah, guys, so that's true. Gucci doesn't let you film in there. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, all right, we're in the Sky Lounge now. We're gonna go up in a little bit. And they have like tea here, coffee.
Arabic coffee, traditional.
Arabic coffee?
Traditional coffee.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's really good coffee. And they got some nice treats for us here. Ma'moon. Look, this is the coffee here. This is just like Syrian coffee, bro. This is the coffee my grandma used to make.
Yeah, it's really thick.
It's so good. Dude, try that stuff. Try it.
She just let us in, bro.
Try that stuff, bro. It's so good. This is so good. Yo, this is so cool. This is how long it is. I think we're gonna go up there to that there.
I'm gonna take a quick look at the screen over here. This is gonna help us understand a bit more about the tower. Does anyone know the meaning of the word Burj?
Burj.
Building?
No?
Tower.
Yes, thank you. In what language?
Burj is Arabic language, also in Urdu as well.
That's correct.
Punjabi as well.
And Farsi as well.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, well, someone from Persia told me from Iran. So yes, Burj means tower in Arabic language. Arabic is the main language spoken and the mother language spoken in the country here. So the total cost of the project is 1.5 billion United States dollars. Inside the tower, from ground to level 8, we've got a hotel. It's Armani. There are only 2 in the world. Italy, Milan has the first one. Second one is located here in the tower. From level 9 to 108, we've got the residences. Yes, people live in the building. We have 900 apartments. 108 has the highest unit.
Wow.
109 to 160, which is just up over here. All those levels are commercial offices, private companies. Now, the tower is 206 levels. From 161 all the way till the tip of the spire, which is level 206. All those levels are not habitual. No one can live up there. We've got no stairs up there. We've got no elevators. They only use ladders to climb up higher. And the reason why those levels are not habitual, because the spire of the building moves. It sways up to 1.5 meters because it prevents vibrations in the tower. It prevents high forces of wind. It's very windy up there. On a normal day, it's 198 kilometers an hour. That's the hurricane alert in most of the countries around the world. If you wish to take the stairs from ground to level 160, you can. That's 2,909 steps, but it will take you a minimum of 9 hours. It's been done before, and it's the fastest record we have. If I get to do it, I think I'll be in hospital for a few days afterwards. Total height of the tower is 828 meters, which makes it the tallest building in the world till present. Please.
Almost 3,000 steps to get to the top, and it takes 9 hours to go up all those steps.
That's a lot of cardio.
That's a lot of cardio. I would never do
All
that.
those calories.
I would do it for $1 million.
I would do it.
I would do it for $100,000. I do it for $10,000.
$1,000.
$1,000? I would do it for $1,000.
We're gonna take 2 elevators to reach level 148. So this is the first one. It's one of the fastest in the whole world. Okay. This one will now take us from this level to reach 123 in only 60 seconds.
Wow.
9 meters per second, 36 kilometers an hour. Did I say 9 meters? I'm sorry, it's 10 meters per second.
Okay.
And then when we reach 123, we're gonna switch elevators. The second one will only take us 26 seconds to get to level 140. Oh, by the way, the elevator is also a double decker.
What does that mean?
It's 2 levels. So you saw
really?
that line of people? They're using the upper deck. We are using the lower deck. I
So
took
we
you
both
one level down, if you realize.
Yeah.
So we are 1 level
Okay.
below ground.
Okay, so now we're going up with them. Damn, this is so fast. Look how fast. Oh my god, my ears already. Is this the fastest elevator in the world?
It is the fastest double decker in the world.
Oh wow. Hear that, guys?
Everything.
Yeah. Biggest mall, biggest everything, biggest tower. We're at level 124 now. I want you guys to see that view. They give out drinks and food and stuff. We're at level 148 now. Whoa. This is so nice. I thought my hotel room was big.
I can see my house from here.
I can't see my house from
It's
here.
like,
Moving. So now we're at the 148, yeah. And you can see everything. Look at that. Wow.
we're all worried about
Look at
elevation.
that. Dude. She said there's actual people that live here in this building in Burj Khalifa. We can get a helicopter Uber. This is so nice, dude. They give us drinks and everything. There's like desserts for us. Alright. Look, guys, they have all kinds of sweets and what is this?
Savory.
She's like, just
It
take
looks
the cookie.
really good. No, I just want to show. I just want to
No,
show.
I'm saying what's
Yeah, thank you. Oh, they're playing some really nice music up here. For the world's highest outdoor observation deck is at the top, Burj Khalifa. That's crazy. One of these, either this one or that one. I think we're up here. And I think this is music notes here. I don't know what this is. It's crazy. Oh yeah, it is music notes. Okay guys, so now I'm on the other side of the building here. You can see this. That's the fountain we were on the other day. We were in a boat and we were in there, in the fountain. Oh, you can see Burj Al Arab there. And you can kind of see the Palm Island also. Watch, camera, you can't see it because of the fog. That's a building that's gonna look like a ship. It's so cool. Ooh, it's so nice here. Ooh. Damn. Look how scary that is. Whoa, we're up here, bro. So now we're outside here and you can see the fountain even better from here, even a clearer view. Look at that. I want to take a cool selfie, maybe for a thumbnail. Oh, we can go around the building. Hey, we out here. That's the mall there, the biggest. Look how big that is. And it's like 4 stories. Oh my God, that's the biggest mall in the world. You can see it all from here because this building is so tall. We out here, boy. We out here. We're actually at the top of the world. I've never been any place higher than this. Only an airplane. That's it. It's so nice up here, man. I still can't believe I'm actually up here. I love Dubai so much. I'll probably move here.
It's an espresso.
Espresso. There's no X in it.
What else do you guys have?
Sorry?
What else do you guys have?
We have sweets, juice, coffee.
Like what kind of drinks? Coffee? Do you have a cappuccino?
Yeah.
Can we get a cappuccino, both of us?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
It's free, right? Okay. Make sure it's free.
Yeah,
That's for me. You can leave it. Yeah, thank you.
can take it?
No, leave it. Thank you so much. He just brought us some espresso. Mine's kind of, the heart is messed up. It looks like the dragon from Game of Thrones. And we're just chilling here on these chairs now. We just moved chairs. Oh, what? They move? How do they move? Okay.
I've been expecting you.
Did that lady ever leave? This is so good. It's lemon mint. It's so delicious. And this is coffee espresso. Oh, what? He just brought some food.
You
Whoa.
can take more than one, obviously, right?
Yeah, sure.
Dates. Take them all. This is so nice. To have some beautiful Adan here. We've been up here for like 5 hours, bro. Look at the view we have back here, man. It's so nice. And the echo.
Fall, okay? A gun roll.
So he just finished the VR. Oh my, it's so scary. Like, just looking at him is scary. Now I'm up next. I'm gonna go next.
Climb up now. You can climb. Just follow the arrow.
Okay.
We're all watching BashLion right now. Well, the parachute, you're gonna fall.
It's okay now. Well done, sir. Thank you.
That was so awesome. We're going down in the elevator now. It's very dark. The lights turned off. We're all gonna die. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.